And this one is number 51. Excuse me, 516. And you had one capped queen cell in it yesterday. Now this one here, the queen cell came from a hive that I sold. And they made their own queen. Take their water off. Take their food off. Because my small nukes, now I'm going to feed my small nukes. The big ones, I probably need to feed them more often too, especially with this, people want to call it a dearth, I call it down south we call it a drought. This one here is supposed to have queen cells on it. I'll make a quick look to see if there's any queens. They're thinning out the queen cell. But she's not supposed to hatch for another couple of 3 days either. She's behaving herself. She is right there. And you can see on the end, down here, how they're thinning it out. So they're okay. We're just going to put them back together. Like I said, we'll come back into this one maybe in a week because there's only one queen cell. And we'll see how they're doing then. Like I say, this is hive number 516. It's got one queen cell. But I sold a nuke on the 4th. Today is the 15th. So she's got about another 2 days to go before she's hatched. And that's okay. Y'all have a great day. This is Sam, South Carolina Hens and Bees. Y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. And fly my airplane again. Y'all have a marvelous day, marvelous week. Bye.